Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Savrambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Thanksgiving service held for newly ordained priest Reverend Khuborjylla Wanyang. Erwin Case Ames Sutanga urges voters to choose leaders wisely for KHADC and JHADC elections. BSF seizes smuggled goods worth 21 lakh in Garo Hills. And Union Minister Srimati Nimuben J. Bamhania reviews developmental works in Ribhoi Aspirational District. And now the news in detail. On February 18th, the family of Reverend Father Khuborjylla Wanyang, who was recently ordained as a priest, celebrated a heartfelt Thanksgiving service at Nongkanyang village. The ceremony began with a procession followed by a holy mass presided over by Father Khuborjylla Wanyang, accompanied by Reverend Father Joby Matthew, Father Vinesh OFMCAP, Father Janice Wanyang, Father Telasfa Nonglang, and Reverend Father Resto Shilla. The service saw a display of gratitude as the family gifted the priests, religious sisters, catechists, and local church elders who attended the event. To commemorate the joyous occasion, a cake was cut and youths from the village churches and Nongstoin province performed gospel songs and dances. Reverend Khuborjylla Wanyang, the seventh son of Ba Puisting Kharbani and Kong Esther Wanyang, hails from a village with just 100 Catholic households, known for producing numerous professionals and 3 priests.
Kitab chung Hebrew ko ong ba kajingi ka bang isngaw bang imla bang isngaw tikana bang imla bang isngaw tikana magi hinray nila ban tur syakmat warna dang him sngaw tikana hinray ni tur syakmat u Francis si bukuy ka kajingi yau kajinget uang ba ngan syakri ya ukenrat yau syakri hakapor ba ukwa ban la yale thma ukwa ban long paunam manong tau sipai ba paunam ukwa ban long ban pen paunam ye pa imei jongu ya kasno ka thau jongu henry halanti ublei ukliu ko Francis pikwa ban syakri ya no ya ukenrat lane yau syakri to Francis wong no ngakwa ban syakri ya ukenrat ban syakri ukenrat menta gamut hablek phai no sha asisi berkhat pi lek phai no sha asisi ki briu ki lek kimi ki pa yu ki expect yu ban long briu bakrau si pai bakrau henrei menta wan phai no sha asisi tib e ban ja yu tib henrei udon ka chingai bau blei ula jeti u ban trei ha ka priso wan jongo ulek phai no sha la shnong asisi bat bot yu jisu Kamaret suti kamtip bau jisu unsa yait haki lor halor kaduriau kamtip bau jisu unsa penkot ki bamadla kamtip bau jisu unsa penim ya ki bayap kamtip bau jisu karang tu jingroi no Mary, did you know that your baby boy will walk on the water? Berkat kemaria kam tebik tu ki bro mereka tim jong belai ko no kemaria ka bu hapo dono jangka kabu hapo dono jangka kapusan hapo dono jangka kata ka jingai wala da kam tep penjai nrei kadang ka jingai ka bakrau ba kun juga on salong unang penim wa Abraham kai ka jingai ju wa Abraham haban ino ya kahin ka sam jungi ya ka khandau ka kendau ke siap jungu imei pa jungu parlok parajor jungu ki jingri jingtap jungu kamdai ke besuk subuh ngi onga ya pi ginong kanyang ya pi ginong malang ino aki kisam jung pi ka tharti jung pi ya ki kaspa ka pho jung pi lech ka jaka ba phim tip trai kolong ka ba yang iban ino kamtam le ya ka kendau ke siap kolong ka ba bani henrei wa Abraham da ka jingai oblay ulay maduh kongo yo oblay manlay siya takari ba ublay ula kulario uino nad dong shadong marbale kajingko kajinget ha ublay uenok ni pule ke jutang barim uenok ya uenok la shimno ya usha beneng bat sim la shimno ya usha beneng bale kaktin ublay ko ang ba uenok ule ya kababha sudah na kata kada ublay usa shimno ya u shabne kajinga jungu kajingle ya ki kamba bha jungu jingle jungu ya kamon jungu ublay u shimno ya u shabne dan hi phai shi kajing kule bani kong menta kasni u abel balai ba ublay priang ya kajing ai ya kajing kenya ya kajing terwa jungu kan ri priang ya kajing terwa jong u abel balai boleh uklam priang ya kajing terwa jing kenya jong u kan ri priang ya kajing terwa jong para jong u abel ka kitab segi Hebrew ko angkum ne ba da kajing nget u abel ula letterwa ya kajing kenya ba kham krau ban ya ukai ban kajing terwa jong ukai da kajing nget da kajing nget ula letterwa ya kajing kenya nak terdau ublay upriang ya kajing terwa kajing u ngadalah reflect ya kini ngala puson ya kini ke bangadang keren bentan kawan kene bangadang puhapor barang puson long ba kumne.
Erwin Case Ames Sutanga called on voters to carefully consider their choices ahead of the upcoming KHADC and JHADC elections on 21st February. During his statement, he expressed concerns about the potential threat to the tribe's culture, customs and traditions, which he believes are at risk based on current election campaigns. He urged the electorate to select candidates who will safeguard these values. Emphasizing the importance of choosing capable leaders, Sutanga warned that deviating from traditional practices could jeopardize the unique identity of the nation in the future.
Dia keren mentah yang cerita buat keluar kuitren. Ni kerba iki pada nong tebut kambang di Samla bagi pencong nong kerba. Nomor boleh nyimlei bandu ya kalong dur ka identiti jom baca beriu aja kini jadi perkara. Nyimlei ban perkap pangiyo oleh kap pemon. Nang sejuk kadang gaji mahal. Bayar kampam yo wan kasam kama. Yo wan kata kasam kama kamri tansi mentah. Kasang kama kadon hakapenta kama yadai nongtit sotet. Kadon kapenta hakaji yadai kasong kama kadon kajing kata kamtam pada baka kasongkul wat haplenki si bakal. Tegini ki ladang hidup no ya kata kadur kan agalong dur jauh kerja beliau aja kini kani kajing apa ini kajing mas. Dan ki bakla ki paiba kanjir ha ka arpu interik kamot ka pli jingkan kamtam bagi ta di bakwa pen aja ka ken aja mika kin yo ka lat kan ti sare bat kani ka mun ra jike ka ba ka mun ba midon kami ki mun mikma ba sutu ya ba ti kodo to sele ba sutu ti kodo constitution ba sutu bagi don ka benta apa yang salam jangkani kali abang ngori dia kumjuru yang kali kabri nyuta kumjuru itu dia idon kawan berkata kita skonsol kita kawan don keberta raji dia dan nomor kata-kata idon kawan idon mikmat dan kimpat suatu yang seksepul idon kawan long kita kibakloi ban free kiban ban kiban perlu kiban pusat kiban yatri nomor kawin ko ang ini seksepul Khubor kisah mereka kamu dari kepada saya halor party system. Kamu dalam parti yang cinta aku sesuatu. Kali hadir bagi lawan rakyat kita kiba pengkelai di rules bahwa rakyat party system. Reply iman kali ki serka ki senja apa diskonsoli kini mereka mengenai parti senja. Anda kilo mentai kuba obat penyakit kursi yang menjadi parlamentar, ubah dek parlamentar, ubah niwan di parti di beberapa mereka itu pun yang kajing sejarah, kajing sejarah, kepepet, kajing bahasa yang kajing beri. Tapi kali kalau mereka ubah ni haban bu bentar. Bahwa piala di parti jadi beberapa mereka anda piwan dan tahu itu eksekutif komite pilih dan tahu kalau nomor contoh cek nomor aja kami, kalau nomor bagi dia pada pemerintah pada kecukupan menyadai kedua siap menyadai ketika itu. Kabalai pada bentar kami kuat kapal.
The Border Security Force BSF from 22 battalions stationed in Meghalaya's Garo Hills successfully seized goods worth over 21 lakh rupees which smugglers were attempting to transport into Bangladesh. The goods were intercepted along forest roads in the West Garo Hills border area. Upon encountering the BSF, the smugglers abandoned their items and fled the scene. The BSF promptly seized the goods and transported them to the Central Custom Police Station in the border region. Ongoing investigations are being conducted into the smuggling attempt. The BSF continues its round-the-clock border patrols to curb illegal activities along the India-Bangladesh border. On February 18th, Union Minister of State for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Srimati Nimuben J. Bambhaniya, visited Ribhoi Aspirational District to review various developmental initiatives. Her visit focused on key performance indicators including health and nutrition, education, agriculture, water resources, financial inclusion, skill development and infrastructure. The visit began with a review meeting at the DC's office in Nongpo, where presentations on the progress of the Aspirational District program were shared by the Deputy Commissioner. The meeting was attended by several officials, including the Commissioner and Secretary of Food and Civil Supplies, Shri Pravin Bakshi IAS, and the Deputy Commissioner, Shri Abhilash Baranwal IAS. In her address, the Minister expressed satisfaction with the district's progress and praised the central government's efforts under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership. She also emphasized collaboration among all stakeholders for continued development. Srimati Bambhaniya later conducted field visits to several locations, including Narang Sub-Center and Pineapple Processing Unit at Umdihar. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.